Let's continue our discussion on bitwise operators in C. What is the outline of this lecture? In this lecture, we will cover right shift operator and we will also talk about some important points related to right shift operator. Let's get started. What is right shift operator? Right shift operator looks like this. It is also a binary operator, therefore it requires two operands. The first operand is the 1 whose bits get right shifted. Second operand is the 1 which decides number of places to shift the bits. Before understanding the concept of right shift operator, let's try to consider some important points related to this right shift operator. When bits are shifted right, then leading positions are filled with zeros. Please note down this point. In the case of left shift operator, trailing positions are filled with zeros. But in case of right shift operator, leading positions are filled with zeros. For example, we are trying to shift the bits of this value towards right by one position. Now let's try to understand how right shift works in this case. We know the content of this variable is 3 and binary representation of this value is 0000 0011. Now we know that this particular value, which is 1, is a right operand which decides the number of places to shift the bits towards right. Therefore, the final output is this one only. What right shift operator will do? It will shift the whole binary representation towards right. Therefore, this bit will get truncated and this position will get vacant. According to our point, this vacant position or leading position will now get filled with 0. Therefore, the final output is 1, as this is the binary representation of this value 1. Therefore, the final output of this particular program is 1. Now let's talk about the second most important point in this lecture. Right shifting is equivalent to division by 2 raised to the power right operand. In case of left shift operator, left shifting is equivalent to multiplication by 2 raised to the power right operand. If you remember that point already that we talked about in the previous lecture. Here right shifting is equivalent to division by 2 raised to the power right operand. Let's consider one example. According to our previous example, the output finally we got is equals to 1. But how do we get this output? We simply divide 3 by 2 raised to the power 1. 1 is the right operand of this right shift operator. 3 divided by 2 is equals to 1.5. After eliminating the decimal point, answer is finally 1. Let's consider another example. Here in this example, I'm assigning 32 to this variable. Apart from that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to shift the bits of this value towards right by 4 positions. So what would be the final output? 32 simply get divided by 2 raised to the power 4. 4 is the right operand, therefore 2 raised to the power right operand is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Therefore 32 divided by 2 raised to the power 4, which is 32 divided by 16, is equals to 2, and this will be our output. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture.